My story time. The title of my story is The Patient Boy. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Frederick. Frederick was a very poor boy and he was an orphan. Frederick always goes to the farm anytime he comes home because it was the crops his late father grew that gave him money to pay his school fees. Frederick was a patient, kind, and generous boy. His neighbors even thought his parents were still alive, but it wasn't true. His parents died when he was just 4 years old. For 10 years, Frederick has been living alone by himself without parents. One day, when Frederick came back home from school as usual, he went to change his clothes and went to the farm. When he got to the farm, he saw a poisonous snake. The snake was crawling around the animals and the crops he cared for. He wanted to carry a snake and kill the snake, but he waited patiently and observed. The snake didn't make a sound. Then he shouted, "Snake, snake, vanish!" And just like that, the snake vanished. Frederick lived happily ever after with his good characters. Moral lessons from the story. 1. Always be patient. Don't just jump into action. 2. Learn to be kind. 3. Try to be a good child to your family and everyone around you.